And I have added the ones on the bottom. No, it's not. It's not a drone, man. No, it's not. There's nothing, man. You must be seeing things. You gotta eat your vegetables. It's not a drone, man. No, you can't. It's a PS3. That's the spirit, kiddo. What's your name?
Why is there a helipad?
Why is there a helipad? That's not a helipad, man. Where does it say helipad?
Wait, let me see this.
Where does it say helipad?
Hey, you have that drone? No, bro.
What drone?
That drone is the one that flies its own self.
What's it called?
I don't know.
All right, well.
But I've seen it on YouTube. It flies its own self, and you can lock it into somebody, and wherever that person goes,
All right, buddy.
it's gonna follow it.
All right, you can hang out here as we try to take off at night, but you cannot get too close, okay?
Why?
Because I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay, kiddo?
Is this your first time flying it?
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm not.
All right, there you go. That's a smart. You're a very smart son. Oh no!
My dad.
Here it goes.
He's not allowed for this. Oh, 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 oh,
All right. Finally, my Skydio is back from the cleaners. It costs this much, which I'm not saying on camera because cameraman will kill me. And we're gonna do a little testing. Now, I forgot to remove the gimbal lock. That was not on purpose. So the goal today is really simple. It's daytime, but I've attached enough lights to it. Under the propeller guard system, I wanted to put the lights at the end, but I wanted to know if the drone could take off with all the lights. It's 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, near the sensors, and then your anti-collision light on the back. And we'll see if it falls out of the sky. And it flies. That's good news. Now it is very windy today, so I'm not surprised that it is flying pretty badly, but it means we have all the lights that we need to possibly operate at night and an anti-collision light in the back. I have a feeling that it's freaking out. Yeah, this reminds me of when the cameras were cracked, dude. I'm not sure if it's gonna actually work, but it's in the air. It can't be that bad, right? All right, let's try something slightly different. If it's also gonna do that freak out thing. No, that's not freaking out. Not compared to what it was doing previously. All right, it's time. We're gonna see if we can fly the Skydio at night. As you can see, it's definitely too damn dark. You'll see it on the screen, even though we have stadium lights right behind us. So the secret trick that I wanted to use for the obstacle avoidance was to attach lights to the Skydio. And the good news is we did a previous flight and it actually worked, but we want to make sure that the lights don't cause an issue with the obstacle avoidance and there's still enough light for it to take off, and we're going to test that now. All right, perfect. Now I got all the lights on and the anti-collision light. Definitely don't look at that flashy one, kids. Okay, so I put this there. Is it enough light? It's calibrating, cameraman. Oh man, no, don't tell me. Oh no. There's no way, dude. It's starting, dude. Unsafe. Oh, cause. All right, is this too close? No. Oh no. Here it goes. I'm gonna try this again, but I do not have high hopes for that. With this controller.
I know, we know how to drive that.
You know how to drive that?
Wait, I know. How do you do that thing?
Hold up.
It's easy. I've driven many drones. Okay, go. Do it. Oh boy, get back. If it goes... Hey, do you see it from there? Do you see it from there? It can go... Oh,
Whoa. Yeah.
how many times? Can you see it from there? How many times is it going to fall?
Yeah, that did not work. So even putting the lights right next to the sensors
We're not too far.
does not allow us to take off. So that's unfortunate.
Wait, can I try?
Hey, can you what?
Can I try?
Can you try what?
Yeah.
You can. Would you want to hold it? You can't fly it.
Why?
Cause it just. Did you not just see it fall?
Yeah, but I'm gonna keep it.
Oh, you think you. Nah, it's dangerous, bro. You're gonna get hurt. Okay.
No.
If I had. Okay. All right.
But,
We'll go back to the car. We'll bring a drone that you can fly, and I'll let you fly. How's that?
Okay.
Okay.
But
Let me pack everything.
how much did that cost?
Not much. Don't worry about it.
How many?
No. Don't worry about it. All right.
It cost $1,000. I know.
It costs what?
$1,000.
1,000. Who told you that?
I seen it on YouTube because
You seen it on YouTube? What is this? Who is this YouTube? Are you this
Carter
YouTube individual?
Carter sure.
Sir, are you with this YouTube individual?
It's called Carter.
Which one of these aspiring pilots is yours? There's two little ones. All right. We're gonna pack up. Just so you don't think that I'm leaving, I'm gonna leave the helipad. We're gonna come back with something you can fly. Okay? Gentlemen's agreement. Look,
Did you see right now?
pinky swear.
You
Gentlemen's
see
agreement.
right now?
Right now, I just need
It
to.
cost more than $1,000. One of those.
How do you know that it costs more than $1,000? Who's telling you these things, man? Who's?
In a YouTube video?
No, man. He's a kid. It's a thing that flies.